How to sign into Google Chat for the first time. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Google Chat app in your device. Once you install it, launch it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Google Chat is automatically connected to your Gmail account. So go ahead and click on the option of Get Started. With that, you will be able to find all the email address that is logged in your device. Now you have to toggle on for the email address that you want to log in with in this way, and then click on Done. Click on Get Started, and with that you will be logged into your Google Chat account. So this way you can easily sign into your Google Chat account for the first time. Google Chat is an intelligent and secure communication and collaboration tool built for teams. From ad hoc messaging to topic-based workstream collaboration, Chat makes it easy to get work done where the conversation is happening. With Google Chat, you can send direct message to anyone with a Gmail address or Google account. So this is how you can easily sign into your Google Chat account for the first time. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.